Hello my people, today I'm sharing this face massager from Bitrontix which helps to uplift your face and the another portion of your body. This is unisex and anyone can use it at home. You don't need to charge it. So here I have the vitamin C serum, and it has niacinamides and vitamin E, HA. Many things are there in this serum. So I'll apply it on my face, and then I'll roll it on my face. So see how you should use this. Take it and push this on upward direction like this on your chin, on your cheekbones, on your on your neck and under eye. Everywhere you can use this to give a perfect shape of your body. Yeah, it has microcurrent, so if you'll apply anything on your face like serums and all, so it will helps to uh, infuse the product. So I'm loving this Bitrontix product. If you want, you can order it from their link and from Amazon also. Till the time, bye bye.